For the happiness and welfare of many, Swami Vivekananda established Ramakrishna Mission in 1897, which completed 125 years of its service. Assam is the holy land of Goddess Kamakhya Devi. In Assam, Guwahati Ramakrishna Mission has undertaken publication of Vivek Bhaskar, an unique journal in Assamese. Swami Vivekananda believed that all religions are true. His Guru practiced this in his life. Swami Vivekananda preached the message of Ramakrishna throughout the nation and outside the nation. Our beloved country is a holy land, a land of spirituality. We believe that God is in everything. God's manifestation is more in human body. In this life, our aim is to realize and see God. Service to humanity is service to God. Swami Vivekananda believed publication of journals in different languages, as his Guru preached religion in the language of the people. Swami Vivekananda advocates publication of journals in all the languages of the country. Guwahati Ramakrishna Mission is publishing Vivek Bhaskar, the Assamese journal, for about 10 years and is spreading the message of India, its heritage, as preached and explained by Swami Vivekananda and his Guru Sri Ramakrishna. We hope this journal will reach everybody's house in Assam and outside the state of Assam where Assamese are there.